Ice cold water as quickly as you can. The cold water will shock the system and distract it from the hiccups. You can even suck down a piece or two of ice. It'll have the same effect. Pro tip: adding honey to your icy glass of water will stop your hiccups right away. Hold your breath. Inhale deeply and for as long as you can. Exhale in a controlled way. Repeat this cycle until your hiccups stop. This is a great tip to use if you're out with friends or on a dinner date. Just excuse yourself to the restroom and return to the table hiccup-free. Sugar. Come here and give me some sugar. Get a teaspoon of white or brown sugar and hold it in your mouth for about 5 seconds. Allow the sugar to dissolve without chewing it. Wash it down with a sip of water and presto! The great thing about this remedy is that it's kid-friendly. They may not be able to hold their breath or chug icy water. And what kid doesn't want sugar? Vinegar. Hey kids! It may not taste as pleasant as sugar, but it'll do the trick. Swallow 1/2 teaspoon of white, malt, or apple cider vinegar. Wash it down with a glass of water. You could also mix a whole teaspoon of your vinegar with a little water. Might make it go down easier. Peanut butter. My granny swears by this age-old remedy. Put 1 teaspoon of peanut butter in your mouth and hold it there. I know it's tempting, but don't chew it. After a few seconds, swallow it. Got milk? If you need to, drink some water. Pro tip: if you have a peanut allergy, almond butter will work too.